Shares of NVIDIA falling today, coming off yesterday's record high. The company announced it's investing up to $100 billion in OpenAI as they race to build the data centers that are crucial to this AI boom. Mackenzie Sagalis is out at one of those data centers in Abilene, Texas for today's Tech Check. Max, some great reporting here.
Hey, Courtney. So out here in West Texas, OpenAI and Oracle are building out what they call the flagship site for the company's Stargate program, a broader AI infrastructure effort that is quickly expanding across the U.S. Now, I sat down exclusively with OpenAI CFO Sarah Friar a short time ago. She told me that this site behind me already has one data center online with a second one coming up, and that the campus can ultimately scale to a gigawatt plus capacity. Now, to put that in perspective, 1 gigawatt can power about 750,000 homes in the U.S. That is roughly the size of Seattle and San Francisco combined. Now, this is the anchor for a series of new Stargate sites announced just this week. I also pressed Friar on the money flows behind these projects, with OpenAI committing hundreds of billions of dollars and partners like NVIDIA in turn committing money right back to them. Now, critics call this a circular economy, even questioning whether the money is real or if it risks becoming a house of cards. Now, Sarah, she rejected that framing that money is just looping back and forth, and says that what's happening in the entire ecosystem is coming together here. They are building compute at an unprecedented scale.
The shovels that are going in the ground here today, they're really about compute that comes online in 2026. That first NVIDIA push will be for Vera Rubin's, the new frontier accelerator chips. But then it's about what gets built for 27, 28, and 29. What we see today is a massive compute crunch. There's not enough compute to do all the things that AI can do. And so we need to get it started, and we need to do it as a full ecosystem.
Now, this all comes as Sam Altman and Jensen Huang hammered out a separate $100 billion agreement in meetings across London, San Francisco, and Washington. There were no bankers, and Microsoft, they were only briefed the day before the deal was signed. And then this Stargate umbrella itself, it is changing too. What was pitched as a joint venture with equity partners is now being described as the brand for all of OpenAI's infrastructure, something that you can think of as one big bank account that folds in every compute agreement from Oracle and SoftBank to NVIDIA. Guys?
Mackenzie, this is just fascinating stuff. I loved your reporting about how this just came together sort of hours before Sam Altman got on a plane, that there were no bankers. It was largely these one-on-one meetings between these leaders. I mean, it just seems that the investor confidence in NVIDIA is what allows it to continue doing these deals, these partnerships. Whether or not you say it's circular or not, they're able to do it because investors just keep moving that stock price higher.
Exactly. I mean, if you look at how much was added to NVIDIA and Oracle's market cap combined since they signed deals with OpenAI, we're talking about $416 billion. The price of the deals that they signed with OpenAI, $400 billion. So it's already paying for itself because of exactly what you said, that investor confidence, Courtney.
It's fascinating stuff, Mac. Thanks so much. Good stuff on the ground there with Sarah Friar as well.